Okay, everybody, we're here at 1010 University Avenue in San Diego, California, and we got an outdoor elevator here. That's a Mad BS classic regular button. All right, let's go to 2. Here we are up at 2. This might have originally been a US because there used to be a inspection thing. Interesting buttons, but pretty nice overall. This appears to be a mod because there used to be an indicator there. Well, it is, considering there used to be a US.